Hi my beautiful friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name's Tara. This is just a really quick video because it is now the 12th of July and I still have not announced the July giveaway winner. That's on me. It's just been a hectic couple of weeks. I haven't been able to sit down and film. I feel absolutely terrible, but I'm here now. I'm here now to announce the winner. I've drawn a winner. The prize for July, just in case any of you didn't know or can't remember, is the MCoBeauty cosmetics that I have picked up. So this is just the eyeshadow palette and the eyeliner pen with the wing stamp and the coveted makeup sponge. I've actually sent one of these sponges to one of my subscribers because she commented on how squishy and soft it is, and nothing else she's ever tried looks as soft and squishy as this one, so I had to send her one. She's reported back that she absolutely loves it, so that's really cool. So the winner of this month's prize is Miss Cheryl Jones. Congratulations, my love. This is yours. All I need you to do is jump on Instagram and send me a DM. I will leave the link for my Instagram account down below. If you don't have Instagram, then you can email me. I'll also have my email address down below. Cheryl, if you could contact me on either one of those options, and I will get this prize out to you ASAP. Once again, I apologise for the delay in announcing the winner, but it's been a crazy couple of weeks, so not much I could do about it. I am setting up a new filming area, so hopefully in the next couple of weeks I will have a space where I can go and film any time of the day or night that I wish. So hopefully I can keep a better schedule, because up until this point I haven't had any sort of schedule. It's just been upload when I'm able to film, and that could be at any random time, and I don't like to operate that way. So hopefully in the next few weeks you'll see me popping up a little bit more regularly, a bit more frequently. That's exciting. I'm not going to announce the prize for the next giveaway because I'm actually changing things, because it's all been a little bit crazy timing wise. I've decided I'm not going to do a monthly giveaway anymore with a set date that I draw it, because I don't want to let anyone down like this again. I don't want to have a set date that could possibly end up this happening again where I'm 10 days late. I am still going to be doing very regular giveaways, but it's just going to be a little bit different, because setting a date for the giveaway to end and be drawn just put a little bit of pressure on me, and for the last 10 days I've stressed about it so hard, and it's not healthy. So yeah, the giveaways aren't going anywhere. I'm still going to be giving you guys as much as I can, as regularly as I can, as my way of saying thank you for being here and supporting me and being my friends and just making me feel amazing every single time I upload a video. That is a promise, but yeah, it's going to change, and I think that it'll be better for everyone the new way. So when I upload my next video, I will show you all what the next giveaway prize is, and until then I shall see you all later. Bye.